Welcome. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your profile on Discord. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, go open your Discord app and then go to settings. You can see your settings option on the lower left side of your screen. And then here, click edit profile user and then click change avatar. And then here you can change your profile and choose GIF, but you need to um, subscribe to Nitro. So for now, you can just click upload image and then click the image that you want and then click open. And then here you can edit the size, then click apply and then click save changes. And then there you have it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.